Janika and welcome to video number 2 about female articles. Today I'd like to teach you how to define a noun by a semantic group. Female noun by its semantic group. I will point out a few groups and give you examples. So group number 1 are of course female persons as die Mutter, the mother. Yeah, but we do have also words like the sister, die Schwester, die Tochter, the daughter are female. The sister and the daughter. Yeah, I translated it before. Okay, let's go on. They're all female. There is one exception in German, which is das Mädchen. Das Mädchen is a neutral noun, but of course the biological sex is feminine, but it's still a neutral noun. Yeah, so this one is the exception. So let's go on. Of course, also all job titles for female persons. As I explained before, in English, you can say the teacher. The teacher can be female or can be masculine. In German, it's always distinguished. The teacher, der Lehrer, would be masculine, but if you add en, die Lehrerin, it is automatically female. So die Lehrerin is a female teacher. Or der Arbeiter, masculine, the worker. Die Arbeiterin is a female worker, and in English it's one form, in German not. Please be aware of it. It's a huge difference between German and English. And there was one more example. No, that's it. That's it for today. No, I have one more interesting group, which are flowers. Yeah. Not all flowers are female, but many flowers are female. Example giving, die Rose, the rose. So that was my short video about semantic groups for female nouns in German. I hope you had fun. Maybe you want to follow me on Instagram or give me a like or subscribe my channel. I would be so thankful. And yeah, thank you so much. And I hope to see you in one of my next videos.